Siena's first visit to the beach. Today's June 19th or 20th, one of the two. It's a beautiful day. There's never anyone here like this. And there's people everywhere.
Yes, I am. Beautiful day.
Okay, let me see. We turn around.
Hey.
Hi. Hi, Mama.
What's today's date?
The 19th. Is it the 19th or the 20th?
20th.
20th.
First trip to the beach. Siena, it's beautiful. You don't see this in San Francisco. It's like in the high 70s.
Yep.
It's been a scorcher.
Yes.
It's been a hot day. We have no AC in the house.
Hi, Mama. Hi, Angel. Hi. Yeah. Hi, Mummies. Hi. All right. Let's go. Let's go to the beach.
Let's go to the beach.
Let's go to the beach, girlfriend.
Enjoy this afternoon.
Hi. We're at Ocean Beach. Is that where we are?
Yep. Pan over to a cliff house. This is amazing.
Hi, Mama. There's the cliff houses over there. Right there. There's a bajillion people, and there are never this many people ever. This beach is usually empty. There's dogs running around. It's usually completely empty because it's so cold. Mama, are you liking it? Huh? Or you like your jacket more? Your socks are real cute.
Cute socks.
Hi. Hi, Mommy.
Right when we got on the beach, you got a nice compliment from a homeless man.
What did he say?
It's like, that's a cute baby.
That's a cute baby. Hi. Hi, Mamas.
Is she smiling?
No, not right now.
You take it all in. This is your first sunset on the beach.
She's more interested in her zipper. Oh, but I have to.
Can I get a picture with you?
Yeah, that would be nice. Thank you.
Of course.
Oh, come here for
The famous pair right now. Hey! Oh, it's gorgeous. So pan out.
I know it's hard to get both in.
Oh my God! Let's do that. Oh, that's a good shot.
This camera, you can take stills from it, right?
You can. I just don't know how.
Well, not now.
Ah, it's gorgeous.
Are we supposed to be following you?
Is she smiling?
No. Mama,
I love you.
we love you.
You guys look great.
It's really beautiful.
It is amazing. It's the end of a beautiful week in San Francisco. It's like you just don't see this.
It's gonna get colder. I just saw the thing.
Hi! Hey! See if he'll pick up the sun. We definitely gotta shoot when it's sunset.
I love you.
Hey!
TikTok for Daddy. Tell him what's up.
He's doing that thing with her tongue now.
Yeah.
Alright. Back down there's our neighborhood. This is a quick 10-minute drive over here from our house. cliff house.
Looking at it. What's happening, Mom? Look at the ducks. Oh my God, look at that. There was already one train that went through.
Where are they? Are they in the air? Oh yeah.
Another line that went through. Oh my God, those kids must be freezing in there.
Those twins over there? There's a snapshot button, I'm pressing it. Oh, you know what? Let me try something. I'm gonna go to mode.
Oh, she's precious. Hi.
Feel good? You get to feel the wind. Don't look directly in the sun though.
What's wrong, Mama? Silly girl. What's wrong, little pooker? Siena. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. All right.
Is that fun?
What'd you think, Mama? What'd you think? Hi!
Water's coming.
Sweet! Goodness.
He's slobbering.
Yeah, and it's cold. Oh my God, it's cold!